welcome to our podcast episode. Today we'll be talking about something you probably listen to maybe while cleaning, walking, communicating, or pretending to study. Yes, we're talking about podcasts.
So, before we talk about the advantages and disadvantages of podcasts, let's answer a simple question first. Why do people even listen to podcasts? Bakit nga ba nakikinig ang mga tao sa podcast?
Yes, kasi let's be real. May YouTube, may TikTok, may Netflix, so bakit pa podcast, no? Simple
I know,
lang.
right?
People want something they can listen to anytime, anywhere.
Correct. And here are some of the most common reasons why people love podcasts. Some people listen to podcasts to learn
something new. Yes.
like history, science, self-improvement, or even how to survive adulting, hindi ba?
Oh, yeah, true.
Kasi lately, sumikat talaga yung podcasts because of the topics, minsan controversial.
Agree ako dyan sa'yo. Tayo nga, we use podcast minsan sa pag-aaral, no? Minsan
I
lang, ha?
know.
Minsan. Joke lang ba? True, di ba?
So other people just want to laugh, relax, or get distracted from the stress of life, di ba?
Tama, oo.
Some people just want to rewind. Rewind and wind down, di ba?
Yes, tama. Agree ako dyan. Kasi minsan pagod ka na sa school, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos may podcast na nakakatawa. Biglang okay ka na
Yes.
ulit. It's like therapy for free.
Wow, walang bayad. And let's be honest, marami sa atin nakikinig ng podcast para hindi boring,
agree.
di ba? Like, habang naglilinis ka, naglalakad, or nagko-commute.
Tama. Yung tipong may earphones ka tapos feeling mo may kasama ka kasi may nag-uusap. Instant kaibigang package,
I
no?
know, right? And some people listen to calming podcasts like storytelling, ASMR style, or motivational talks.
Yung tipong, today, you will breathe and everything
I
will be
know.
okay. Sana all may nagsasabi niyan
I
araw-araw, no?
Podcasts are very convenient.
True.
You can listen while multitasking, hindi ba?
Tama. Like habang nagluluto ka, nag-aayos, or
Yes,
nagre-review.
pwede mong pagsabay-sabayin.
Tama, kahit nagkakape pa nga eh.
I know. So basically, kahit anong ginagawa mo except
Maligo.
Unless waterproof ang phone mo, di ba? Yaman.
Yaman.
But please, wag niyong subukan. Baka maging podcast. Wow.
Wow.
Cringe.
So, so there are the most common reason why people listen to podcasts. Learning,
Yes.
entertainment, relaxing, and avoiding silence. And
Yes.
convenience, no?
And with that, we can now move to the main part of our episode. The advantages and disadvantages of podcasts.
Alam mo ba yung advantages?
Yes, actually, I know a lot. First is the consistency of student experience. Kapag naka-record ang lecture, every student receives the same explanation, hindi ba? Same details and same pacing. Ito yung tipong kahit absent ka, late ka, or medyo natang ka ng discussion, you'll still hear the exact same lecture when you listen to podcast.
And for teacher with multiple sections, hindi sila
Yes.
mag-explain ng 5 beses.
I know.
One recording, one clear message for all. Parang copy-paste, pero legal.
And the next advantage is the lecture review. Diba? Podcasts
Yes.
become study aids that students can replay anytime. Hindi ba? Kasi pwede mo naman talaga siyang i-replay anytime.
Tama. Perfect din to sa exam season. Pwede ka mag-review habang naglalakad, o naglilinis, o habang iniisip mo kung bakit ang mahal ng school
Yes.
project.
Super.
Ang mahal, super.
And if you didn't understand something the first time, pwede mong i-rewind, di ba?
Yes.
Unlike sa teacher, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-rewind. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng balikan. Sana pwede, no? And the last advantage from the slides is student-created content. Diba? Students can
yes.
make their own podcast as projects or presentations, or kahit gusto lang nila, trip lang nila na gumawa ng podcast.
Yes, this promotes creativity and collaboration
Tama.
and ownership of learning. Plus, mas masaya minsan gumawa ng podcast kaysa gumawa ng 10-slide PowerPoint na walang animation.
So dull.
Oh my God. And hearing your classmate na podcast. Parang nag-uusap kayo pero hindi ka required sumagot. Ang sarap nun minsan.
Di mo na kailangan magsalita ng kung ano-ano.
Tama.
And it also builds communication skills kasi students think about clarity, storytelling, and how to explain concepts well.
Oh, ngayon, how about yung disadvantages? Alam mo ba, Jasmine?
Hala, may disadvantages pala.
Oh, of course! Podcasting isn't perfect. Some students lack stable internet or devices, so accessing podcasts can be difficult.
Yes, kasi although everyone can, start a podcasting,
Yes.
hindi pa rin kasi yung quality. We have to consider the quality also. At saka yung
tama.
Wi-Fi, the internet
Oh
connection.
my God. ang
And
bag-
also, podcasts are audio only. So, if the subject needs visual like graphs, formulas, drawings, medyo struggle siya kasi audio lang talaga siya.
Tama.
And students can lose focus when it's just audio. Kasi
Yeah.
some students, di ba, prefer yung nakikita
agree,
talaga
agree.
nila. Alam niyo naman, minsan 5 minutes in pa lang, nag-iisip ka na ng merienda, hindi ba?
Tama. Yan, doon ngayon nun ako. Plus, teacher need time and effort to record
Yes.
high quality audio, di ba?
Tama. And to summarize, podcasts help provide a consistent student experience, easy lecture review, and a creative platform for our student-made content. Diba ang dami niya palang advantages? And because madami yung advantages, syempre may limitations din siya, especially when it comes to access and visual heavy lessons. And that wraps up our episode for today.
We hope you learned something new, kahit konti lang, but worth it, di ba?
Hindi kaya konti yun because we have discussed a
Oh
lot.
my God, thank you.
Thanks for listening and see you in our next podcast.
Bye!
Bye!